Hello guys, welcome to the another interesting video. In this video, we will learn how to add links to our HTML document. As you know, links are very important. We use links in our website to redirect the user to another website or to use YouTube videos in our website and some other things like that. So let's learn how to add links to our HTML document. So let's open our project, and this is where we left in previous video. Let's zoom in a bit so you can see clear. Close this. I am going to add link to this name. So for that, all I want to do is type open angle bracket A, that is anchor tag, is href. Href is the hyperlink reference, that is an attribute. We want to give value to this attribute, and the value here is the URL of this website. Let's copy this. Let's place it in between these double quotes. After this triangle bracket, and as usual with another closed anchor tag. And in between this open and closed anchor tag, we want to place the name because we want to target this name. Here, A is the anchor tag, href is the attribute, and the value to this attribute is this URL to the website, and we were going to target to this name. And here, another ending anchor tag. So what we want is when the user comes and clicks on this name, we want to redirect to this URL. So that's what we want. Let's hit Ctrl S and let's see. Let's run it in browser. And when you click on this name, see, it redirects to this website. And it is opening in the same tab. Let's say you want to open this tab in new tab. For that, we want to add another attribute, that is target attribute. Target equals to underscore blank. And let's hit Ctrl S to save. And when you click on this name, see, it is opening in new tab. We created link to this name. So let's say you want to add link to this image. You can do that as well. So for that, let's copy this piece of code, put it here, and put another closing anchor tag. Between this closing and opening anchor tag, we want to put this image. Right click, open, scroll down, and when you click on this image, so here you can see this site is opening. It will work perfectly fine. Here the image itself is a link. In this HTML tutorial, we have gone through many topics and we learned many things like how to create an HTML tag, how to create an HTML document, what is head element, what is body element, how to add links to our website, and how to add images to our website, and some other things. But all it gives you is a very static web page with static text, which is not very attractive. See, the image size is not good, which is not nicely formatted. And we were going to adjust all this in CSS, that is styling. So head on to the next video. We are going to learn CSS from next video.